Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone volume goes down automatically. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, turn off change with buttons option on your iPhone. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on sounds and haptics. So tap to turn this change with button options here. So after this, the next solution is disable reduce loud sounds feature. So for this, go to settings again, tap on sounds and haptics, tap on headphone safety. So here is the reduce loud sounds, so tap to turn this off. So guys, after this, the next solution is disconnect any Bluetooth device connected to your iPhone. So guys, check your Bluetooth if you have connected any Bluetooth device here. So simply turn it off Bluetooth. And then after this, the next solution is turn off do not disturb mode if it enabled. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on focus, tap on do not disturb mode. So the do not disturb mode is enabled. So simply turn off do not disturb mode here, delete schedule and open control center and turn off do not disturb mode from here. And then after this, the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.